This phone's been through a lot. Let's just try and give it a charge. Let's just leave it like that for a while, see what happens. Alright, let's give this a try. Wrong phone. This one's still not working. Let's give it a washing, guys. Alright, let's give it a washing. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's getting a little crunchy sounding. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Perfect. All right, we just gotta shake it off. All right, let's see. It's as I thought. I think we're just to the end with this phone. It's sad. Yeah, let's just wash off the damage. Unfortunately, we tried our best to clean it. It looked like we were making progress, but as you guys saw from the other videos, it was just unsavable. Nothing we could have done better. Nope. We did our best. We did everything right. But unfortunately, hasta la vista. See you later, bro chacho. Skedaddle on out of here, my mans. I don't even know. Well, I missed. Well, bro doesn't want to go. I don't blame him, but, well, thank you guys for watching. Well, toodaloo, buckaroo.